5-1 and 5-2, you're going to solve one-step linear inequalities. Number 2, you're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. In this video, I'm going to cover the first 4 problems. These are all one-step problem, and you're trying to solve them. So you're trying to get the letter alone, then graph. So if we take a look, this is x minus 7 is greater than it's less than -5. So you want to first draw your line to make sure you see that there's 2 left sides. And then you see a -7 on the left with the x. You're trying to get that alone, so you're going to add 7 to both sides. This is going to cancel because it makes the number 1. Bring down the x, bring down that inequality sign. -5 plus 7, it is 2. Okay, you can now draw the number line. All you need is the number 0 and the number that you have, which is 2. This is x is less than 2, so open it here, and it is to the left because it is less than, and that's how it will look like. Let's look at this b here. Let's draw the line down here, and we see that it is x plus 11 is greater than or equal to 4. We see that there is a plus 11 that is attached to the x, so we're going to subtract 11 to both sides. This cancels because it makes the number 1. The x comes down, bring down that inequality, the greater than and equal to symbol. The 4 minus 11 looks like it is a -7. Okay, so now we can graph it. Here's our number of -7, and here's the number 0. It is going to be closed here because it has that bar here, and this is greater than, x is greater than and equal to -7, so it's all the way to the right because those are all the numbers that are greater than that. Let's look at here. We have 10 is greater than or equal to x minus 4. We're trying to get the x alone. So we have a -4 on the right, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. This process, the -4 on the right and the +4 here cancels, making the number 1. Bring down the x here, bring down the inequality symbol. Then you have 10 plus 4, which is 14. Never write it with the letter on the right, so make sure you have the letter on the left. So it's going to be x is switch the inequality to 14. The reason why you have it this way, because it's easier to graph. Because if you read this, it says you have the number 14, and we say that x is greater than, x is less than or equal to 14. So it is less, so let's make sure we close this because of the bar, and x is less than that, and these are all the numbers that are less than that, okay? Now let's take a look here. Draw the line down through the middle. We have 12. It is less than and equal to x plus 6. We see that there is a +6 on the right hand side that we have to get rid of. So we're going to subtract 6 to both sides. This is going to cancel because it makes the number 0. Bring down the x, bring down the inequality symbol. 12 minus 6, it is 6. Okay. Now we don't ever write it like that. We always want to make sure the letter's on the left. So it is x is greater than and equal to 6. So here is our number line. And here it is. That's an ugly number line. Okay. And here is the 6. Here's the 0. Close it here. And x is greater than and equal to. So it goes all the way to the right. Here you go. So these are the first problems on how to solve the inequality one step.